Hi folks, here's another tip to help you along your spiritual journey. Focus on your breath to center yourself and to reduce stress. Now here are 3 things you can do. You can incorporate intentional and rhythmic breathing exercises into your daily routine, which really means focusing on deep, slow breaths to center yourself and bring awareness to the present moment. Secondly, you can dedicate specific sessions to breath awareness meditation. So really concentrate slowly on your breath, allowing it to anchor you in the present and calm your mind. And thirdly, infuse conscious breathing into your daily activities. Whether walking, working, or waiting, use your breath as a tool to maintain mindfulness. Now, thank you for listening, folks. Let's meet again tomorrow. Bye for now.